gold is buried deep in the back of the bank. Go inside.
Ready for action.
Make sure no civilians get away.
Every hostage you take slows the
Follow
cops
me.
down.
You want charity? You're gonna get it, because you're headed right to welfare.
Come on. Follow me.
You know the rules. Walk inside.
Guard, stay back. Guard on patrol.
We're gonna find the bank manager.
Guard.
Go find the bank manager. We'll need that key card off him.
Find the fucking manager.
Guard on patrol. Guard, careful.
Find the manager. Look for the creepy guy in the suit. 40s, going bald. That'll be him.
Look out, guard. Stay back, camera. Guard, stay back.
He's there.
I don't care if your crippled
Guard,
kids have
careful.
fucking
Watch out,
diarrhea.
guard. Guard. Guard on patrol.
Yep, it's standard. 15
God,
working days
careful.
to make an international transfer.
Guard, stay back.
Well, screw you very much, too.
Guard on patrol. Guard. Guard on patrol. Guard.
Yes, I understand
Look
we
out,
offered you
guard.
those terms under the veteran program, but we no longer recognize the Vietnam
Guard.
incident as a real conflict.
On the ground. Down. Down. Hey,
Use the
get
key
them,
card
come
to enter
on.
the server
Find
room
the
on the
key
second
card.
floor.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Now use the key card to get inside the server room. It's on the second floor.
Look out, guard. Guard, stay back.
Found it.
Have key cards.
The metal detectors need to be shut down. We can do that by disabling the power. Look for circuit boxes.
Watch out, guard. Stay back.
We need to deal with the metal detectors. Best way, simply kill the power. There are electricity boxes around.
God, careful.
Spank Elvis.
God,
I like the sound of that.
look out. God,
Mine and my 401k.
God,
Oh,
God on patrol.
well, you think maybe I should too?
God, watch out. God, God.
Soon as the bailout money gets here, I'm getting balls deep in high-class booty. Ooh, yeah. Great. I think I'll just keep mine in the bank. Oh, yeah. Well, I guess that would be prudent.
You need to disable the metal detectors. Cutting their power will do the job. Look for electricity boxes.
When my bonus comes through, I'll finally be able to get that guitar. The one Hendrix used. No.
God on patrol. God, stay back.
We need to deal with the metal detectors. Best way, simply kill the power. There are electricity boxes around.
God, look out. God.
The metal detectors need to be shut down. You can do that by disabling the power. Look for circuit boxes.
God, careful. God on patrol. God, careful.
I get that bonus, it's gonna be time to party. Bravo, Sam.
That's the metal detectors dealt with. Great. We got an inside man here. They'll be able to open the gates leading to the vault area. Patching them through now.
Can you hear me? The gates require a key code. Can't use mine or I'm dead, so you need to find a 4-digit code.
God on patrol.
You heard her. I've done a little homework and marked some terminals that should have the 4-digit code on them somewhere.
God, careful. God. God on patrol.
Fingers crossed this is the one.
Got it.
Credit applications. Accepted. No codes though. Next one.
Run faster.
This might be the one. And here we go. The code is 1138. Great. Now head to the insider. She'll be able to open the gates.
Coming from floor 2, heading to the gates. See you there.
God, careful. Huh? Look out, God. God, stay back. Look out, God.
When the bailout money arrives, I'll buy it too. That's pretty sweet. I don't know what I'll spend mine.
God,
Maybe invest it in a long-term CD.
look out, God.
That's great.
Watch out, God.
The manager asked me to tell you to do the rounds. I'll be here for a while. Go on now.
God, careful. Huh? God, stay
Hey,
back.
I'm at the gates.
Watch out.
Get over here.
God on patrol. God, stay back. God, careful. Huh?
Dude, as soon as the government bailout arrives, shit, I'm buying Detroit. Hey, that's awesome. I'm investing in Indian steel. That sounds sensible. Yeah, maybe I'll put a little aside for that.
The gates protect the vault
Camera,
area.
look out.
You have the code, right?
Punch in the code.
Camera,
When I get my hands on that bailout money, I'm going to Vegas to hit the
security
gas
camera.
like a fucking legend.
Camera. God,
It's open.
True. But I saw nothing,
You
right?
think maybe
Next, we need to gain access to the main vault. It's controlled by 2 keycard terminals, and each needs activating within seconds of the other. So find 2 keycards.
always want
God, careful. Huh?
when the bailout money arrives?
God,
Buy it too. I like the sound of that.
God,
Put mine in my 401k.
God, stay back.
Yeah. You know, fuck it. I'll do that too.
Look out, God. God, stay back. God,
Those keycards can't have vanished. They're there somewhere.
Now down.
You've disabled all cameras in the vault area. They're blind back
Get
there
down.
now.
On the ground.
God. Look out, God.
Now,
Got a
use
key
the first
card.
card on the terminal in the security room, then the second on the vault key panel.
God,
You got a
yes.
brief window, so no lollygagging.
God, stay back. God on patrol. God,
Too slow. Try again.
watch out. God, God. God, careful. Huh? Watch out.
How are you doing tracking down those 2 keycards?
God. God, stay back. God on patrol. Look out, God. God on patrol. Look out, God. Watch out, God. God, stay back. God. Look out, God. God, stay back. Look out, God. Stay back, camera.
Found the key card.
Watch out, God. God. careful, huh? God, stay back. Look out, God. 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 God on patrol.
And now the vault key panel. Hustle.
God. God, careful, huh?
Oh, you missed it. Try again.
Look out, God. God on patrol.
Now swipe the vault key panel. Come on. And ta-da!
Hell yeah!
There it is. Neatly stacked. Well, you're robbers, ain't you? Get robbing.
Fuck yeah! Let's get out of here.
So, when you have your fill, I need you to drop the bags into the vent here. We'll pick them up later.
Come on, move this stuff!
See that vent by the elevator? That's where you gotta stash the bags. Remember, stash the loot in the vent.
Watch the camera. God, careful, huh? Look out, God. 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 Look out, God. 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 God.
You need to drop those bags in the vent.
Watch out, God.
Hurry up!
Camera, stay back.
That's one.
Watch the camera. Guard on patrol. Security camera. Look out, guard.
Remember, stash the loot in the vent.
Guard, stay back. Guard. Guard, stay back. Guard on patrol. Guard, stay back. Camera, stay back. Guard.
That's two. See that vent by the elevator? That's where you gotta stash the bags.
Stay back, camera. Camera, stay back. Guard, careful. Guard on patrol. Watch out, guard. Look out, guard. Guard. Look out, guard. Guard, careful. Guard, stay back. Guard. Guard.
Remember, stash the loot in the vent.
Patrol. Watch out, guard. Guard, careful. Watch out, guard. Camera.
That's three.
Guard. Guard on patrol. Guard, careful. Watch the camera. Camera. Guard.
See that vent by the elevator?
Watch the camera.
That's where you gotta stash the bags.
Guard. Camera. Look out, guard. Guard, stay back. Guard. Guard, stay back. Guard on patrol.
That's four.
Guard. Watch out, guard. Look out, guard. Watch out, guard. Guard, stay back.
Remember, stash the loot in the vent.
Guard. Guard on patrol. Guard, careful. Camera, look out. Camera. Watch out, guard. Stay back, camera, guard. Watch out, guard. Guard, stay.
See that vent by the elevator? That's where you gotta stash the bags. That's five.
Guard, careful. Camera, look out. Guard on patrol. Watch the camera. God. Camera.
Remember, stash the loot in the vent. That's 7.
God, stay back. Watch out, God. God. Look out, God. God on patrol. God. God. Watch the camera. Watch out, God. God, careful, huh?
You need to drop those bags in the vent.
Watch out, God. Camera.
That's 8.
Look out.
Great. Now, ready to bail? Just meet our insider man. She'll show you the way out.
God on patrol. Camera, look out. Camera. Look out, God. God, careful, huh? Look out, God. God, careful, huh? God. God on patrol. God,
Find our insider. She'll show you out.
watch out. God. God on patrol. Look out, God. God, careful, huh? Security camera. Watch out, God. Camera, stay back. God, stay back.
Keep him coming.
God, careful, huh? God. God on patrol. Camera. God. God on patrol.
Meet up with the insider. She'll get you out of there.
Camera, stay back. Watch out, God. God. God on patrol. God, careful, huh? Stay back, camera. God on patrol.
Find our insider. She'll show you out.
God, careful, huh? Camera. Security camera. Stay back, camera. Guard on patrol. Guard. Guard, stay back. Guard, careful. Guard on patrol. Watch out, guard. Camera, stay back. Watch the camera. Guard, stay back. Watch out, guard.
Our insider can show you the way out. Find her.
Stay back, camera. Guard, stay back. Guard. Security camera. Guard on patrol. Look out, guard. Guard. Stay back, camera. Watch out, guard. Camera. Guard. Guard.
Find our insider. She'll show you out.
Guard, careful. Camera, stay back. Look out, guard. Camera. Guard. Guard. Watch out, guard.
Meet up with the insider. She'll get you out of there.
Watch out, guard. Guard. Guard on patrol. Guard. Camera, stay back. Camera. Guard, stay back. Camera. Watch out, guard. Guard. Guard on patrol. Guard. Guard, careful.
Find our insider. She'll show you out.
Camera, look out. Watch the camera. Camera.
So that's it?
Comes through,
You got what you
finally
came
be
for?
able to get that
Come on,
guitar.
follow me.
The one Hendrix used?
Guard,
You know,
stay back.
to spank out.
Guard, careful.
That sounds fun.
Guard,
I think I'll
stay
pay off
back.
my parents' mortgage.
Watch out.
Oh,
Guard.
Yeah, that sounds like a
Guard,
good idea.
careful.
I guess.
Look out, guard. Guard, careful. Guard. Look out, guard.
When that fat
Watch
bailout
out,
money comes
guard.
through, I'm gonna buy another house.
Guard, careful. Watch the camera.
They will.
Watch out,
Sounds great.
guard.
I'm gonna pay off
Guard,
my credit
careful.
cards, put a little into a savings
Guard.
account. Oh,
I guess that you...
Look out.
Wait, tell me nothing. I'm just an innocent bystander. This way.
Inside here.
Just head through here and pass through the office on the other side. Make your way down to the
Stay
basement.
sharp.
Hurry.
Stay low and quiet. Offices are never empty.
Down. Get down on the ground. To the left. Down on the ground. Get down on the ground. Get
Keep
down.
moving. Get down to the garage.
On the ground. On the ground. Get down. And don't move. On the ground. Stay down. Stay still.
Let's try to have the drill do its thing without others coming near it. The noise might tip them off.
Stay down.
Keep it quiet, gang.
Stay
But keep it
still.
moving. Get down to the
Stay.
garage.
Stay. Stay put. Don't you get up. I'll
Downstairs.
fucking kill you. Go down. Right? This is the place. The
All right.
getaway.
There's the truck, and there's our bags. Stash the loot into the truck, quick.
Faster. Stay still. Stay put. Stay put. Stay. Stay still. Smart man, stay down. Smart man, stay alive. You smart, huh? Faster, faster. Stay still. Don't move. Stay. Don't move. Stay. Stay down. Run faster. Run! Stay still! Stay still! Stay still! Don't move! Stay still! Stay down! Come on, run, run! Hey, faster, faster. Stay put. Stay still. Stay down. Hey, slushaj, I have no problem putting hole in your brain. Stay down. Faster, faster.
That's one. That's two. That's three.
Faster, guys. Stay still. Stay still. Don't move. Stay put. Don't move. Stay. Hey, faster, faster.
That's four. That's five. That's six. That's seven. That's eight. Keep it
down.
coming.
Faster. Stay put. Stay down. Stay still. Stay put. Don't move. Hands off the mobile telephones. Run faster. Stay. Stay put. Don't move. Stay put. Don't make me take interest in you. Faster, guys.
That's all of them. Let's get out of here. Great work! A classic takedown of a classic heist. It was a pleasure to watch.